Hello, my name is Eric Johnson. I'm a legislator from Texas. I represent District 100 in the Texas House of Representatives, which is wholly contained within Dallas County and includes the city of Dallas and parts of the city of Mesquite. I'm also a proud Democrat, and I know you might be thinking, I didn't think there were any Democrats left in Texas. I hear that quite a bit when I'm traveling around the country talking to people and I tell them that I'm a Texas Democrat. Well, I'm here to tell you that the state that produced such Democratic giants as Sam Rayburn, LBJ, Barbara Jordan, Ann Richards still has Democrats in it. Some of them progressive Democrats like myself. The reason I consider myself to be a progressive Democrat is because I'm sick and tired of the old liberal versus conservative arguments that have ground progress in this country almost to a halt, and certainly in my great state of Texas. I'm ready to move past these old arguments and toward finding solutions to the problems that the American people and people in my state, whether they be Democrat, Republican, or Independent, want to see their elected officials solve. One of the areas that I've worked very hard to try to advance the conversation in is education. I have an idea that I've been pushing here in Texas for quite some time that combines the power of competition and efficiency and local control to help us spend our precious state educational resources more intelligently. It's called the State Educational Empowerment District Program, or the SEED program. The SEED program is essentially a state matching funds program in which struggling school districts that are dealing with high dropout rates and low academic achievement, can compete for additional state funds. And those funds would be designated for dropout prevention or raising academic achievement. Points under this program would be awarded for things like demonstrated community support, demonstrated local government buy-in, and also support from the business community. Awards then could be used for things like after-school programming, teacher training, parenting classes, whatever the district asks for in its application. The key to this program is that the school district would have to put up some of its own money, and that money could be then supplemented by other local money from public or private sources in order to pull down the state dollars that we're talking about. The existence of local financial support would in fact be a key consideration in awarding a grant under this program. This is just one idea that I have, and it's still a work in progress, but it gets us past that tired old debate about public schools versus charter schools or about school vouchers. And that debate, frankly, has stifled progress in this area for many years. It's ideas like the SEED program that have me very excited about being a progressive Democrat and about being a part of the New Deal.